Amy, I need to know, is it possible to learn English without stressing out every single day?
Alex, that question is literally today's whole episode. I want to introduce you to something I call chill mode.
Chill mode. Okay, I already like the sound of that. What is it?
It's a simple system, 5 easy letters, CHILL, and each letter is one small rule that keeps English learning relaxed instead of stressful.
Okay, break it down for me. What's C?
C stands for consume what you love. Never force yourself through boring content just because it's educational. If it feels like a chore, your brain quietly rebels against it.
Oh, so watching something fun in English still counts as real learning?
100%. Enjoyment isn't a distraction from learning, it is the learning. Interest keeps your brain open, and an open brain absorbs so much more.
Okay, I love that already. What's H?
H stands for have short sessions. Chill mode isn't about marathon 3-hour study sessions. It's about small, relaxed check-ins, even just 10 or 15 minutes.
Wait, doesn't more time always equal more progress, though?
Actually, no. Long, stressful sessions often lead to burnout, and burnout leads to quitting completely. Short, chill sessions are much easier to repeat every day, and repetition beats intensity every time.
So it's less about how long I study and more about how often.
Exactly, Alex. Consistency in chill mode always beats one exhausting weekend of cramming.
Okay, what's I?
I stands for ignore perfection. In chill mode, mistakes aren't failures, they're just part of the process, like footprints on the path.
That's such a nice way to think about it. But be honest, doesn't it feel embarrassing to keep messing up?
It can feel that way at first, sure, but here's the secret. The moment you stop chasing perfect English and start chasing comfortable English, everything gets easier, and honestly, you improve faster too.
Wait, faster? How does lowering the pressure make me improve faster?
Because stress actually blocks learning, Alex. When your brain feels anxious, it protects itself by shutting down. It's much harder to absorb new information. But when you're relaxed, your brain opens up and lets new language in easily.
Oh, wow. So chill mode isn't just more comfortable, it's actually more effective too.
Exactly. Comfort and progress aren't opposites, Alex. They actually support each other.
Okay, what's the next L?
L stands for little and often. This means tiny English touches sprinkled throughout your day. One song, one short video, a few sentences in a journal, instead of saving it all for one big session.
Oh, so it's like adding small pinches of salt throughout cooking instead of dumping the whole bag in at the end.
I love that comparison. Yes, exactly like that. Small, spread out moments season your whole day with English instead of one heavy, overwhelming dose.
Okay, last letter, the final L.
The final L stands for laugh it off. When you make a mistake or forget a word or completely freeze up, just laugh, genuinely. It releases the tension immediately, and it keeps the whole experience light.
I actually really need to hear this one. I get so hard on myself when I mess up.
So many learners do, Alex. But here's something important. A heavy, serious mindset actually slows down fluency. A light, playful mindset speeds it up. Chill mode isn't just a nice idea, it's actually a smarter strategy.
Can I share a quick story? This really reminds me of two people I know.
Please go ahead.
So I have two friends who started learning English around the same time. One of them, Diego, studied so hard, 3 hours a day, strict schedule, zero mistakes allowed in his own head.
Oh, I already feel stressed just hearing that.
Right? And within 2 months, he was completely burned out and just stopped studying altogether.
That happens so often, sadly.
But my other friend, Elena, just watched shows she loved, sang songs badly in the shower, and laughed every time she messed up a sentence. Just 15, 20 minutes a day, completely chill.
And let me guess, Elena is still going strong.
Exactly. A year later, she's speaking so much more naturally than Diego ever did, and she still enjoys it every single day.
That's such a perfect example of chill mode in action, Alex. Diego treated English like a punishment, and Alina treated it like a hobby. And hobbies are the things we actually stick with for years.
That's such a powerful difference. I think I've been a little bit like Diego sometimes, honestly.
Most of us have at some point, but starting today, you get to choose chill mode instead.
Okay, quick question. Does chill mode mean I should never challenge myself? Like, is it just easy forever?
Good question. Chill mode doesn't mean avoiding challenge. It means removing unnecessary pressure. You can absolutely try harder content, a slightly difficult show, a trickier conversation, just without the harsh self-judgment attached to that.
Oh, so it's more about the mindset than the difficulty level.
Exactly, Alex. You can climb a mountain in chill mode too. You just don't yell at yourself for resting along the way.
I really needed to hear that today, honestly.
A lot of us did.
Okay, let's recap the whole system one more time, fast.
C. Consume what you love. H. Have short sessions. I. Ignore perfection. L. Little and often. L. Laugh it off.
CHILL, chill mode. Okay, I'm genuinely going to use this every day now.
That's all it takes, Alex. Just 5 relaxed letters and a much lighter journey toward fluency.
Okay, everyone, here's today's challenge. Pick just one letter from chill mode and apply it today. No pressure, no stress, just one small chill step.
And tell us in the comments which letter you're starting with. We'd love to cheer you on.
Subscribe for more simple, chill English tips every single day.
See you in the next episode. Bye.